Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with a small, hopefully useful update to a song I did very recently, and that's Dave Edmunds' classic song, Girls Talk. I thought it might be helpful to some of you to have a breakdown of the lead solo. Okay, so it's a standard tuning, the way I'm doing it, in standard tuning, with a capo on fret 4, which is exactly the same way I played the main lesson on the main part of the song, yeah? So we're in exactly the same tuning as for the lesson on the song, and if we have it set this way, the solo is quite easy to play, okay? So if you've got a friend or you fancy doing it yourself, this is for you. Okay, so I'm just going to play through it now, and then I'll break it down and show you how I played it, okay? Okay, so what am I doing here? First phrase is open third string, the G string, then we fret the second on the third, then we play the second string, B string, twice on its own. Okay, so we've got, then we play the first fret on the second string, the B string, then we play the B string open again, so now we've got, okay, then we play the second on the third, the G string, open third, second on the third. So second on the third, open third, second on the third. And that should put that together. So far we've got this. Got that? As far as we got. A very small pause there before we do anything else. And then we go a little. So second on the third, open third, third on the fourth, the D string, to the second on the fourth, the D string. So if we play that whole thing so far, we've got, okay, got that, very slowly. And finally we play the open third, open fourth, open third string, open fourth string, that's the G string and the D string, yeah? So let's do the whole phrase, that's the whole first phrase, okay? So from the beginning. Okay, now we do the second phrase. And the second phrase is basically more or less the same again, but the last two notes are different. Okay, so we start off exactly the same, open third to the second on the third, two times on the second string, first on the second, open second, second on the third, open third, second on the third. So we've got from the beginning of the second phrase. Okay, then we pause again like you did on the first one, and then we go exactly what you did before, second on the third, open third, third on the fourth, second on the fourth, so right from the beginning of the second phrase. This is where it changes. We go up to the fourth fret of the D string, the fourth string, and then the open fourth string, D string, okay? And that's the second phrase. So let's just start the whole, go through the second phrase from the start, slowly. finish it off by this. It's a partial E major chord. I'm playing, first finger's playing the first fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and my second finger's playing the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string. Okay, and it's just, and the B string and the top E string are open, and you just go 4, 3, 2, 1. Straightforward arpeggiate down from 4. Okay, so the whole thing very slowly, right from the beginning, phrase 1, here we go. There you have it. You just got to start slowly and build that up, okay? And there you have it. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that and it's some use to some of you. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.